Here's something that trips up many Java developers: the difference between threads and processes. Get this wrong, and your app could waste resources or crash under load. Let's start with the fundamentals. A process is an independent execution unit with its own memory space. When you run a Java application, the JVM itself is a process. Inside that process, you can have multiple threads, which are lightweight execution units. Here's the key difference. Threads within the same process share the heap memory where objects live, but each thread has its own stack for local variables and method calls. Think of a process as a house, and threads as rooms inside that house sharing the kitchen and living room, but each having their own bedroom. This architecture has huge performance implications. Creating and switching between threads is much faster than processes because threads share resources like memory and file handles. Communication is also simpler. Threads can directly access shared objects in the heap, while processes need inter-process communication mechanisms like sockets, pipes, or shared memory. This makes threads the go-to choice for concurrent operations within a single application. In Java, you create threads using the thread class or by implementing the runnable interface. Your entire Java application runs as a single JVM process, and every time you create a new thread object and call start, you're spinning up a new thread within that same process. The JVM handles thread scheduling and management, making concurrent programming much easier than dealing with separate processes. Bottom line, processes are isolated execution units with separate memory, while threads are lightweight units within a process that share memory. Master this concept and you'll write faster, more efficient concurrent applications. Ready to practice more interview questions? Keep going. Want to get better at answering questions like this? With Interview Mentor, you practice real interview questions out loud. You get personalized feedback and a grade on every answer, and you can track your improvement over time.